In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add EMA in TradingView. An EMA, or exponential moving average, is a popular technical indicator that helps smooth out price action and highlight trends. It reacts more quickly to recent price changes than a simple moving average, which is why many traders use it for entries, exits, and overall market direction. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add an EMA to your TradingView chart and adjust its settings so it's easy to see and use. First, open your chart in TradingView. Once your chart is visible, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the toolbar at the top. Click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. This is where you can search for and apply any built-in tools that TradingView offers. Inside the search bar of that window, start typing exponential moving average. As you type, TradingView will filter the list of indicators. You should see exponential moving average appear in the results. This is the standard EMA indicator that comes with TradingView. When you see exponential moving average in the list, click on it. As soon as you do, an EMA line will be added to your chart. By default, it might use a common length like 9 or 20, and it may appear in a standard color. If you're working with a busy chart or a smaller time frame, the default setting can sometimes be hard to notice or may not fit your style of analysis, so we'll customize it next. On the left side of your chart, or sometimes directly on the chart near the indicator name, you'll see a label for EMA. Hover over that EMA label and click on it to open the settings for this indicator. A settings window will appear showing different tabs such as inputs and style. Make sure you're on the inputs tab. This is where you control the main parameters of the EMA. Look for the field labeled length. Click into that field and type in 50. A 50-period EMA is a popular choice because it's long enough to smooth out noise, but still responsive enough to show meaningful shifts in trend. Changing it to 50 will also make the line more clearly visible across most timeframes. After entering 50, review the settings quickly to ensure everything looks right, then click on OK to apply the changes. Your chart will update, and you should now see a 50-period exponential moving average clearly displayed over your price action, ready to be incorporated